Wow.
I spit some KitKat on. Welcome to another edition of Taste from Around the World. With me once again is Keyshawn.
How's it going?
Today we're going to be sampling some Japanese flavored KitKat bars. I have quite a few of them we're going to go through. I mean, some of these flavors I don't even know how to pronounce or what they are, but we'll sample them and see how these taste. So for most of these, I had to go online and look them up because they don't have any English writing on them other than Nestle and KitKat to try to figure out what flavor they are. These three, I found nothing online. So this one, I found nothing on it. It has a little penguin on it. So we'll sample this one and see if we can figure out what taste it is. So it's white with little speckles in there.
That looks like a nasty Kit Kat.
It doesn't look nasty.
Oh, and it smells like a smells like cherry.
Is it?
Oh my gosh.
It does have some pink inside it.
It's like, oh my gosh.
That's actually
Pretty good.
like a vanilla. I taste a
like-
little bit, well, almost like a vanilla milkshake kind of taste to it too.
That's a pretty good
That was a
chocolate.
good one. So if you guys know what this one is, let me know in the comments because I couldn't find it anywhere online. It has a penguin on it. Is that what penguins taste like? Is that what a penguin is? And is this a seal one? This one has a seal on it. So I don't know if this is supposed to be seal flavored, but that one was actually pretty good.
New package this time, so.
So kind of the same, but
Darker.
darker specks on this one. It's got a white frosting with like darker specks in there.
This one smells like.
No pink, just completely white inside with the wafers.
That's pretty good too.
But it has a different taste. It doesn't. The other one tasted more vanilla.
This one tastes like.
I can't even describe what that flavor is.
Can't describe the flavor either.
Let us know. Again, if you know what the seal one is, what flavor this is supposed to be. This one, I couldn't find anything on it.
Wow.
I spit some KitKat on. Maybe we can get that in slow-mo.
Spitting Kit Kats.
Maybe I better rinse out here a little. Alright, so this one I couldn't find, but I assume it's a milkshake. It has a little milkshake thing on it, so I assume this is milkshake flavored.
How do you make a milkshake flavored
Again,
Kit Kat?
white one.
It's the same as the first one.
I think the last one had a lot more darker spots on it. This one has a few, not too bad.
Smells the Japanese Kit Kats are good.
This one I'm completely white inside again, just like the last one, but this one doesn't have really any flavor at all. I thought the one with the penguin tasted more like milkshake than this one is supposed to. It just,
Japanese Kit Kats are good.
it's good, but it was just plain. Like, it doesn't have much taste to it at all.
Do you ever recommend buying Kit Kats?
Yeah.
Japan.
They're better than our regular ones.
Japan.
So
Japan Kit Kats.
now we go into the ones that I do have, or I've been able to figure, I found them online and figured out what they're called. Some of these I still don't know what flavor they are. So this one I just assume is Japanese regular Kit Kat. It doesn't say anything else. I didn't even know if is it Japanese. Okay. Yeah, well, it does have Japanese writing on the back, so I think it's just a regular flavored
chocolate Kit Kat.
normal Kit Kat. Looks just like a normal Kit
normal
Kat.
Kit Kat. Smells like a normal Kit Kat. But has this in the inside.
That's not the taste of it.
That's not a taste of a regular Kit Kat.
Mm-mm. Maybe it's a different.
I don't like that kind. That's a. Oh my god.
It looked like a normal one, but it almost tastes like it had a darker chocolate. Wasn't very good at all. I would stick to the weird flavors rather than the normal one. All right, Now we're getting into the, I don't know about this one. Wasabi.
Wasabi. Sounds like a karate name.
It's green.
Hey, every
Like
green candy
light
is
green.
mint. Every green candy has a mint taste to it.
I know, but this wasabi's hot.
Wasabi's hot.
Yeah.
A hot cake.
White inside. It's not a bad flavor. I mean, I don't really taste much at all.
This is the disgusting Kit Kat I ever tried.
Really? It doesn't taste like much.
That is disgusting.
You're just disgusted by the color, I think. I don't taste anything. There's no heat. I don't know if it's supposed to be hot. I assume wasabi's supposed to be hot, but maybe it's going to sneak up on you.
Oh my god.
You better have some water over there, I guess. I mean, it wasn't.
Oh my god. That is disgusting.
It tasted like nothing. This one, I don't know what it's supposed to. It's Sakura Matcha. It has little flowers on it, so if you know what Sakura Matcha, if I'm even saying it right, is supposed to taste like, I mean, I guess we'll find out.
Mature.
What?
Sakura Mature.
Sakura Matcha? I don't know. Maybe he's right.
Sounds like Hakuna Matata. So
He hasn't been right on most things he says here. I mean,
no worries.
this one looks like peas. I mean, it's a pea colored green. You know, like not pea as in
Hope it doesn't taste like the other
urine,
one.
but peas as like green pea.
It smells minty though.
It does. I hate mint.
Why? Oh my. I can tell you exactly what it is. If I can. Tastes like a
Some of these just don't taste like anything.
tastes like a Christmas cookie. Don't it taste like a Christmas cookie? One of them Christmas tree cookies.
I think it tastes like the wasabi one. I'm not tasting any difference.
Wasabi one was disgusting. I can say this was actually better than the wasabi, whatever it's called. Wasabi.
Again, I don't taste anything. I'm still liking the penguin and the seal ones were the best. These last couple haven't had
Tastes
any
like a
flavors.
Christmas cookie.
So let's go into some more. Okay, next up we have raspberry.
A raspberry Kit Kat.
That's an easy flavor. I know what that is. I know what raspberry tastes like.
I know what
So
raspberry tastes like,
be able
too.
to tell you if it's a pink one.
This is not Yu-Gi-Oh.
It's so bitter. I mean, oh, it makes your tongue curl.
Tastes like a strawberry. A strawberry candy. You know what strawberry candy tastes like?
No, I'm getting the raspberry.
I don't want that no more.
I don't want it. You didn't like that. I mean, it's.
Oh,
I do taste that raspberry in there, but man, that one you just get hit with little pockets of bitterness around your tongue. So this one just comes with one little bar in it, and this is a cranberry almond.
Cranberry almond.
Oh, and this is a weird looking bar. It's a Kit Kat, but then it has all the stuff like on top of it.
What kind of Kit Kat is that? This color inside.
I mean, it's nutty because it's got those little nuts on the top of it, but it's not bad.
Ugh, I don't like dark chocolate.
I mean, it's better than that raspberry one, but it's
Yeah.
different because it has all that sprinkling of stuff on top of it.
Mhm.
It's getting everywhere. It's messy. Next up, green tea.
I don't even drink tea. I don't even want to taste.
What is with all these green ones? Why do they all need to be green?
Every green candy tastes like mint, but this one tastes like a tea.
But what does green tea taste like?
Smells like a tea. Smells like green tea.
You've never had green tea. You've never had tea.
I had.
But yet you know what green tea smells like.
Yes, I worked in a restaurant.
It tastes exactly like the other 2 or 3 green ones we had.
Oh,
Nothing.
You could taste the green in that one. The green tea.
Jesus.
Again,
That's
zero
disgusting.
taste to it.
That's disgusting.
My least favorite one that I'm probably going to try because I don't like mint candy is mint. And I'm sure it's going to be green. No,
Oh, it's
wow.
chocolate. Wow.
It's like a
dusty
yeah,
chocolate.
It's either dusty or it's old. Moldy chocolate. It looks like if you put chocolate in the freezer and took it out where it has like a little bit of freezer burn on it, that's what this is looking like.
Smells like mint.
Oh god, it smells like, I'm just taking a little bit. I hate mint.
It's alright.
It's green inside. It's minty. It just tastes like a mint chocolate. Oh, look at this one. He's so cute.
Looks like me.
I don't know what those are. It's got a little bear on it. He's got like a little candy
I look like a bear.
pie type thing over here. It's called, Jesus, I'm going to murder this.
Where's the name at?
Ikanara
The Canary
Dango.
Dango.
We'll just call this the Dango. Is that Dango right there, the bear? Again, what is a Dango? And it's probably this little treat they have here.
Probably a cute and cuddly bear.
Ooh, this one's
White.
white. All right, so it's white. It's the white Kit Kat.
White Kit Kat.
White inside. Nothing special. You react to the ones that have absolutely no taste.
This is disgusting. You can taste it.
Taste what? What are we tasting?
It tastes like a Play-Doh. Tastes like Play-Doh. Yes, I know what Play-Doh tastes like. It's disgusting.
All right. This one is melon.
I don't like.
I mean, it's something else
I don't like
other than
watermelon.
melon. I just couldn't pronounce. It's Hokkaido melon. Maybe. I don't know.
Hokkaido melon. I don't know how they say it.
It's melon, M-E-L-O-N. They don't say melon.
Melon. It might say
What's a
watermelon.
melon? Oh, look at this one.
Orange color.
What's melon? So maybe it's like a cantaloupe flavored.
I hate cantaloupe.
But it's the first orange one, so that's cool. I'm sure no matter what it tastes like, you'll be, oh my god, I can taste.
Smells just like the first ones we tried.
It smells
Tastes
like,
like a cantaloupe. A nasty cantaloupe. I'll eat cantaloupe.
this one does have a little taste to it. Little melon taste. Not bad. It's because I keep breathing in them.
I don't want to finish that.
It's not bad. I mean, it has more flavor to it than some of these last ones that said didn't have any
It
flavor.
does, but
Not a huge amount of melon taste. Just a little citrusy.
very disgusting.
Okay, we're down to our last three. Atano no amasa.
I don't know masa.
Atano no amasa.
Sounds correct.
Don't know what that is. I have no idea. It's a little black wrapper here. So I'm assuming probably dark chocolate. By the way the wrapper looks, usually dark chocolates are in a black wrapper.
Yeah, it's dark chocolate, all right. Hate dark chocolate. Everything I just don't like.
I mean, it looks like that. What was the other one that we had? That was, what was it? The mint one that was. Just normal inside.
Tastes like a graham cracker to me.
Ugh. That's probably the first one I'm right. Other than the mint that I don't like mint. That one, yeah. That one's not good.
I don't even finish
I
that
don't-
one either.
I think it is just a dark chocolate. And it's just bitter. All right, so another green tea. This is a strong green tea. The regular green tea had no taste.
Regular green tea had a taste.
Ugh,
He just doesn't know what
nasty
green
looking
tea
pea
tastes like.
green one again.
I gotta try another green tea. I'm gonna take one bite and that's it.
Green inside.
It's just like green tea.
He's never had green tea. Doesn't know what green tea smells like.
I don't know what green tea tastes like.
All right, so last one is another one of these single ones where I think it has the nuts on top. I couldn't find this one, but looks like it has almonds, cranberries, and raspberries. So the same as what we had before, but with a little bit of added raspberries. But it's white.
Cream color.
And again, it has all that stuff right on top of it.
This might taste good.
Just because you get that little bit of, I don't know if it's the cranberry or the raspberry, like little pieces of like the fruit and a nut stuck in your teeth. I'm not a fan of those ones that has the stuff on top of it. I mean, it's not an awful taste, it's a weird texture. Apparently you didn't like it, man. You went through your whole water over there too.
I don't like the taste of it.
All right, so that does it for our taste test of Kit Kats from Japan. I mean, the majority of them for me, I thought didn't have much taste. The best were those first ones I had.
First ones.
And if somebody could tell me what they are, I don't know, the wrappers are. It's the one with the seal and the penguin on it. I mean, those were the best tasting ones. I don't know if these are like Christmas, winter special edition ones, but what was this flavor? These ones were the best one. The rest were just, I could do without those. Even the regular flavored Kit Kat that they have had a weird, bitter taste to it.
Right.
So.
The first three were the best. The others were
and a lot of them just were plain, you know, they had certain names.
Taste buds don't work.
They're just blah. Anyway, again, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Like his channel, comment something else we should try.
We'll see you guys next time.
Yep.